Information about Aesculus x mutabilis pendulifera. Aesculus x mutabilis pendulifera, commonly known as the weeping hybrid horse chestnut, is a deciduous tree that belongs to the Sapindaceae family. It is a cultivar of the Aesculus x mutabilis species, which is a hybrid between Aesculus hippocastanum and Aesculus pavia. The weeping hybrid horse chestnut typically grows to a height of 15 to 25 feet, 4.5 to 7.5 meters, and spreads 10 to 15 feet, 3 to 4.5 meters, wide. It has a broad, spreading habit with drooping branches that give it a weeping appearance. The leaves are dark green and palmate with 5 to 7 leaflets. In the fall, the foliage turns yellow. The tree blooms in late spring to early summer, producing showy, pinkish-red flowers that are arranged in panicles up to 12 inches, 30 centimeters, long. The flowers are followed by spiny fruits, which contain one or two large, shiny brown seeds commonly known as conchers. Aesculus x mutabilis pendulifera prefers moist, well-drained soils and partial shade to full sun. It is hardy in USDA zones 5 to 8. This tree is a popular ornamental plant in gardens and parks, prized for its attractive weeping habit and showy flowers. It is also relatively low maintenance and easy to grow.